Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me.
Hey friends, I needed to clean this kitchen first and foremost. I get tired of searching for one item only to find it in the most random place. I've been trying to set reasonable goals for cleaning our home so it doesn't turn into a complete disaster. Sometimes I'll write gigantic lists in an attempt to get it all done. But that's not realistic, at least not in this home. Don't get me wrong, I still write lists nearly every day to stay on track, but I try to make them manageable daily tasks.
Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine.
There are days when I simply do not have the motivation to start. I don't always know where to start and I find it very overwhelming. One of the things I have found to help me the most is to listen to an audiobook or put on whatever music I'm feeling that day. Basically, do whatever you have to do to get through the mundane daily tasks. I also find it helps to use products that A, work really well, and B, smell amazing.
Like I'm better off with you.
Sometimes starting is the hardest part. I know in the past I have let perfection slow me down, but honestly, good enough is good enough. The more pressure I put on myself to be everything to everyone, get every little thing just right, the more stressed I feel. Really, it's not necessary, I promise. When I am cleaning and decluttering, I tend to get sidetracked and move from one thing to the next without ever really completing any one task. So I guess I would say to focus on one small realistic task at a time. Feel the sense of accomplishment, then move on to the next, or take a much needed break and give yourself credit for what you have done. What is it about cleaning the refrigerator that is so satisfying? We are a family of 5 with a revolving refrigerator door. Spills happen, and I try my best to stay on top of it. I definitely like to clean out the fridge before we bring our grocery haul in. I find that I can clean most things with a bottle of Dawn dish soap and maybe vinegar.
You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew.
I try to do at least a load or 2 of laundry every day. If I don't keep up on it, it gets out of control. I don't know, but I know this laundry pile isn't going anywhere anytime soon. I think moms should get together with laundry and wine or sweet treats in front of a good movie or binge-worthy series. guys for sticking with me to the end. I seriously appreciate all of you. I hope you and your family are well and enjoying the season of life that you are in. I hope you will consider hitting that subscribe button and like this video. It helps my channel a ton. Thanks again and take care.